We have multiple days of severe weather expected to move in to the southern regions of the U.S., including an enhanced risk of severe weather for today, including Memphis, Tennessee, Birmingham, Chattanooga, Nashville, Bowling Green. This also does include Evansville, Louisville, all the way down to Dallas, Pueblo, all the way up to Denver, all the way including Atlanta and Jackson, Mississippi, all included under the gun in this severe weather threat, as wind and hail will be the main threats for this risk, including a hatched risk for Dallas and another hatched risk going into portions of Texas and Oklahoma. Alright guys, for tomorrow's day 2 severe weather outlook on Monday, we have two different areas of slight risk of severe weather. One including Abilene over down towards Dallas and Wichita Falls, with another severe weather risk including Mobile, Alexandria, Jackson, including all of those areas under the gun for this threat, with a tornado and wind and hail all possible. Now for day 3, Tuesday severe weather threat, Dallas is under the gun once again as a slight risk of severe weather is in effect. Could include wind, hail, and even a tornado or two possible, including Shreveport, Dallas, and a marginal risk including Jackson, all the way over towards Waco, under the gun for this severe weather threat. Be sure to stay safe, guys. Alright guys, so now we are going to do the forecast of the timing of these storms for when they are forecasted to head through here. So once we get to about 5 p.m., we're going to have a very strong line of storms moving into the Jackson, Tennessee area, all the way up towards Nashville, Clarksville, all in those areas. And then maybe some isolated severe thunderstorms down here towards Springfield and Joplin, and some more isolated showers and storms that could be severe here near Pine Bluff, just south of Little Rock. Possibly even a little bit of thunderstorm action down here, and more severe storms, and just a bunch of clusters of severe storms that could be forecasted to head through here. And this is just, we're looking at a big line of storms to bring a huge damaging wind threat to these areas, while also we could have some isolated storms ahead of it that can produce some big-time hailers with this. That's what we are also watching with these storms. This is around 7 p.m. here. So these storms will look to hit Memphis around 6, and maybe around 5:30-ish Central Time, by the way, is what we're looking at. And then hit portions of central Kentucky around 7 p.m.-ish. Hit Nashville around 6:20-ish. Remember, this is just a model. It's a forecast. Hit Knoxville a little bit later on 9 p.m. And maybe some more storms to form down here towards Memphis around 9 p.m. too, as we could have some more severe storms as an additional severe weather threat here down for Memphis. Now, looking for the big-time hailer potential in Dallas, we're looking at some big-time storms that could form here around 6 p.m. These could bring some decent hailers with this, as we're watching for this to bring some definite hail. Now, for this area of severe weather up here, we could see some more storms hit Denver with severe weather around 6 p.m. as big cluster of storms could form, and more storms around 9 p.m. hitting the areas like La Junta and Pueblo around 6 p.m. and Colorado Springs just around 7 p.m. And remember, we are in Central Time. I'm pretty sure this is Mountain Time, so just change that by whatever your time is. I'm looking for those areas down there. So what we are forecasting why this is happening, as we have a lot of moisture. And when I say we have a lot of moisture, we have a lot of moisture down here. It is getting toasty. It is toasty down here. The natural ingredients for severe weather that we do talk about. And you notice how we have a lot less dew points, and this is normal for down here in Denver. But this is enough to support some severe weather. And if we go to the surface-based Cape, we do have a decent amounts, around 1,500 to almost 3,000 Cape in some spots over here towards Denver, which is perfect for severe storm development. And we just have a ton of it down here as big-time hailers could form over towards there. And what's causing us to get another big-time threat down here for areas like Nashville and Memphis, as we're in the enhanced risk regions, as we have enough CAPE. We have CAPE in the 3,000s, basically a range between 2,000 to 3,500, all across Memphis, Birmingham, Atlanta, Nashville, Knoxville, and all the way up towards Louisville, as this is feel for severe storms to form across this region here. So this is what we are talking about, as storms are definitely could definitely easily form. With this, definitely 100% could form. So if we go to tomorrow's threat, we could have some more severe thunderstorms form here towards Dallas, as the negative 3 kilometer isn't showing this to form as much. But if we do go to the 12ZH model run, and go over to here, it does start to show a little bit more extreme development. This could cause an upgrade into a severe weather risk. I wouldn't know about enhanced risk, as it doesn't show a lot of storms, but it doesn't show a really strong cluster. And this could be a big hail day. I wouldn't be surprised if we could see hail up to 2 inches in diameter, as this model, HRRR, is showing big-time hail. So be safe in Dallas for today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, under the gun for this severe weather threat, guys. I hope everybody did like this video, and goodbye, guys.